Hello, everybody. Today is a very sad day. Today is a very sad day because something that I never thought was going to happen is happening, and there's nothing I can do about it. It's the best for me right now, for my financial condition that I am right now, which is not good. And it's that I'm selling the Mustang. There's a guy picking it up today. He loved the car, loved the way it feels, the way it looks. So yeah, I'm getting rid of it. I'm really sad. This is not what I expected to happen ever. I love this car, and I was expecting to have it forever. But yeah, it's gonna happen, and it's happening today. I changed the car a little bit. It's looking stock-ish. Doesn't have the fenders anymore. Still have the RTR parts, the splitter, the diffuser in the back. Still have the RTR diffuser, and it has, but I took off the deck lid. I'm leaving the spoiler, carbon fiber spoiler. The fender is the factory fender again. Still have the grills and the front lip, carbon fiber front lip. It doesn't have air suspension anymore. I took it off. The exhaust is off. It's the factory exhaust with the headers, and the supercharger is still supercharged. So the guy is gonna have a lot of fun with the car. He fell in love with it. I gave him a test drive, and he was holding for his life. But yeah, I'm selling my baby, and it's very sad. So you'll see the guy in a minute. He's on his way, and we're gonna do the whole thing today. So, all right, this is it. The buyer, Daniel. He's a good guy. The car is gonna be in good hands, and yeah, maybe someday I can see it again. So it's a very sad day for me. I'm not happy at all, but I had to do it. So bye, Eleanor. There's my baby. Bye. It's gone. It's gone. Man, I want to cry, but I can't cry. So there was a lot of things that went together. We went together. I mean, sweat, tears, blood, shit, countless hours of working with it, driving it, beating the shit out of it, and he taking everything like a champ. Yeah, I can't believe it's gone. Really can't believe it. But I'm positive. Someday I'm gonna have another one. I love that car, and I'm gonna have another one someday. I have to stay positive. So yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for sharing this day, this experience with me, and everything we went through. So thanks for being there with me with this. I really appreciate it. And I see you guys on the next video. Peace.